10 supercar engines that last forever. Ever dreamed of owning a supercar without constantly worrying about breakdowns or expensive maintenance? Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you some supercar engines are built to last forever? Packed with unmatched engineering and durability, these engines shatter the myth that high-performance cars can't go the distance. In this video, we'll uncover 10 supercar engines that last forever. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about engineering marvels, buckle up and join us for a fast track to speed and reliability. Let's get this straight. What qualifies a supercar engine as everlasting? Well, it's more than just clocking high mileage. These engines are masterpieces of design and engineering. Made from premium materials and rigorously tested, they are built to withstand extreme speeds, temperatures, and stresses. And there's more. These engines remain reliable because of their clever simplicity, ease of maintenance, and sometimes a touch of sheer luck in their design. In short, they aren't just powerhouses, they're workhorses in disguise. Now that we know what makes them unstoppable, let's explore the top 10 supercar engines that truly stand the test of time. Coming in hot at number 1 is the Ferrari F140 V12 engine. First debuting in the iconic Ferrari Enzo and later powering masterpieces like the 812 Superfast, this engine is a marvel of Italian engineering. With a glorious 6.5 liters of displacement, this V12 doesn't just sound phenomenal, it's built to last. Owners often report this engine running flawlessly for over 150,000 miles. Its durability comes from Ferrari's obsession with precision and high-revving, naturally aspirated power. And let's be honest, who doesn't want an engine that combines reliability with screaming V12 symphonies? Next up, the Porsche Mezger Flat 6 engine is practically immortal. Developed by legendary Porsche engineer Hans Mezger, this engine powers icons like the 911 GT3 RS series and even the 911 Turbo. What sets this Flat 6 apart? Its roots in endurance racing, where engines endure extreme stress for hours on end. With features like dry sump lubrication and robust materials, it's not just reliable, it's bulletproof. Some owners have racked up over 200,000 miles on these engines without major issues. That's German engineering at its finest. If indestructibility were an Olympic event, the Toyota 2JZ GTE would take gold. Famous for its role in the Toyota Supra and car culture worldwide, this Japanese inline-six is a tuner's dream and a reliability legend. Its cast-iron block, over-engineered internals, and endless tuning potential make it a long-lasting powerhouse. With regular maintenance, enthusiasts commonly report these engines pushing past 300,000 miles. Oh, and they can handle insane horsepower upgrades without breaking a sweat. No wonder it's earned the nickname God-tier engine. When Honda developed the first-generation NSX, they aimed to create a supercar that even daily drivers could trust. Enter the C30, A/C32B V6 engine, a Formula One-inspired powerhouse built for longevity. Thanks to its lightweight design, titanium connecting rods, and rev-happy spirit, this engine delivers exhilarating performance while remaining incredibly reliable. Many NSX owners report these engines running strong, well beyond 200,000 miles. It's the perfect example of how Honda fused performance and practicality into one groundbreaking package. The Chevrolet LS9 V8, found in the Corvette ZR1, is the ultimate American muscle meets longevity story. This 6.2-liter supercharged engine delivers earth-shaking power, all while being shockingly simple and durable. Key to its long life is the engine's compact design and forged internals, which are built to handle the extraordinary stresses of supercharging. With proper upkeep, this V8 can pass the 150,000-mile mark with ease. For gearheads who crave reliable horsepower without European price tags, the LS9 is a dream come true. Sharing its DNA between two iconic brands, the Audi Lamborghini 5.2-liter V10 engine is a masterclass in blending luxury and reliability. Whether it's roaring under the hood of an Audi R8 or a Lamborghini Gallardo, this engine is a winner. Its durability lies in Audi's meticulous quality control and Lamborghini's passion for performance. Despite being a high-revving monster, this engine is known for its ability to cover countless miles without issues, making it one of the most dependable supercar engines ever created. Now, you wouldn't expect the monstrous Bugatti W16 quad-turbo engine to land on a list of durable engines, but here we are. Found in engineering marvels like the Bugatti Veyron and Chiron, this 8.0-liter, 16-cylinder beast isn't just about speed, it's also incredibly well built. Despite its complexity, this engine boasts advanced cooling systems and high-quality materials that ensure reliability. When maintained properly, the W16 has been known to run smoothly for decades. Who says luxury can't go the extra mile? The Lexus LFA might be rare, but its 1LR GUI V10 engine totally deserves a spot here. Co-developed with Yamaha, this engine is a masterpiece of precision and engineering. It's lightweight, high-revving, and capable of producing one of the best exhaust notes you'll ever hear. But beyond its sound, the 1LR GUI is designed to last, with meticulous attention to detail that ensures reliability even under extreme conditions. It's proof that supercar engines can balance art, power, and durability. The Mazda 13 B-Ryu rotary engine, famously used in the RX-7, might not seem like the obvious choice here. But when properly cared for, this compact yet powerful rotary engine can achieve remarkable longevity. Key to its durability is the simplicity of its rotary design, though its unique maintenance needs require a bit of extra love. Drivers who understand how to handle this engine swear by its long-lasting performance and racing pedigree. It's small but mighty, just like the cars it powers. Finally, we have the Nissan VR38 Det V6, the heart of the Nissan GT-R, aka Godzilla. This twin-turbocharged beast is legendary for delivering brutal acceleration while being built to handle immense stress. With robust internals, cutting-edge technology, and Nissan's attention to detail, this engine is known for lasting well over 200,000 miles in the hands of dedicated owners. Whether on the track or the street, it's a machine built to endure. So, what truly makes these engines special? Two things: engineering excellence and an obsession with detail. Crafted by skilled engineers and made with premium materials, these engines minimize wear and tear while maximizing power output. Their designs take inspiration from endurance racing, where engines need to withstand prolonged, intense conditions. It's this combination of durability, adaptability, and performance that makes them stand out. From Ferrari V12s clocking over 150,000 miles to Toyota Supras with two JZ engines smashing modification records, these engines are backed by real-world stories that prove their worth. Enthusiast communities also play a big role in preserving their legacy, with fans investing time and care into pushing the limits of these machines. It's no wonder these engines are celebrated as the holy grail of performance and reliability. Absolutely. These engines are living proof that high-performance supercars don't have to be fragile. In fact, they can deliver decades of thrilling performance when engineered with care and maintained with passion. So, which of these engines would you trust to last forever? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. Who knows? You might even inspire someone to take the leap into supercar ownership. Thank you for watching, and remember, when it comes to supercars, reliability isn't just possible, it's legendary. End with a high-energy montage of these engines roaring to life, along with the tagline, "Speed that lasts a lifetime."